co-pilot. Well, hello, everybody. It is your pilot over here. We're experiencing minor turbulence, and for some reason the throttle won't go down, so be prepared, and let's just hope we don't die. Passenger? Oh, shit. Well, we might be fucked. Jeez, we're going...
Bank angle.
Oh. Pilot. Okay, passengers. Turbulence has been gone. Whoops.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
What is happening over there? What's up, brother? Check Tuesday. Okay, shut up, kid. Who is that screaming?
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Bro, can you shut up? Your screaming is actually annoying. Wait, why'd you put the throttle down, bro?
Bank angle.
I think we're about to go into emergency landing. Uh-oh. Engines went out. Are you sure we'll be able to land safely? Let me see if I can turn on one engine. I have one engine on. What? Just went to 0 again. Power went out, fracks. Well, hello, passengers. We're gonna have to suffer some, emergency landing, but the gear is not working. But don't be afraid, I think we'll land safely. Passenger, are you sure about that?
Terrain.
I've never had to do this.
20.
Oh!
100.
Dude, just calm down. Oh, flax.
50. 40. 20.
Ooh. Stop screaming! Idiot! Shut up, dude! Stop screaming, my guy! Dude, Daryl, shut up. Sorry, man, this is just my first time I ever had to do this. Alright, I turn on manual brakes. Alright, well, that's the end of the video, guys. Goodbye.